Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make fancy text in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer, type text, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, drag on your mouse, hold Ctrl, align, middle, FX, blending option, bevel and emboss, soft, soften, okay, texture, you can use texture or not use as it is. Do not use texture and select the color, change the text color, I use red color or silver color. Drop shadow, do not use drop shadow. Do not use glow. And right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster as layer. Use 3D, wait, press Ctrl D, press Ctrl H, click again layer and change the background color. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.